today's story is called Off the Rails. Gordon was resting in his siding. Sometimes he thought, it's really tiring to be such a large and splendid engine. Peep, peep, peep. Hello, Flatface. What cheeks? Spluttered Gordon. That Henry's too big for his wheels. Fancy speaking to me like that. Me has never had an accident before. Jan, this isn't burnt safety valves? Asked Percy innocently. No, indeed. But to come off the rails like Henry did. High spirits. Is it right? Is it decent? Then it was Henry's turn to take the express. Be careful, Henry. You're not pulling the flying kipper now. Mind you keep on the rails today. Gordon went back to sleep. Then his driver finally woke. Wake up, Gordon. A special train is waiting and we're to pull it. Is it coaches or trucks? Trucks, said his driver. Trucks, said Gordon. Puh. Gordon's fire was slow to start, so Edward had to push him onto the turntable. I won't go. Stop pushing, Edward. Don't be silly. At last, Gordon was on the table. Gordon was cross and didn't care what he did. He waited till the table was halfway around. He moved slowly forward to jack the table, but he couldn't stop himself and slithered into a ditch. Ooh, she is. Get me out! Get me out! Not a hope, said his driver. You're stuck, you silly great engine. Don't you understand? They telephoned Sir Topham Hatt. So Gordon did not want to take the special train and run into a ditch. What's that you say? The special is waiting. Tell Edward to take it and Gordon, leave him where he is. We'll get him out at night. Gordon laid in the ditch all day. Oh dear. Don't you see how silly he is? Said the people. They'll never get him out. They began to sing. Silly old Gordon fell in the ditch, fell in the ditch, fell in the ditch. Silly old Gordon fell in the ditch, all in the Monday morning. Gordon laid in the ditch all night. With that, they made a road of sleepers under Gordon to keep him from the mud. And James and Henry managed to pull Gordon back on the rails. At last, Gordon was safe. The end. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.